Welcome back. Using the previously gained skill, we are able to solve this problem. The sum of any two side lengths of a triangle must be greater than the third side. The difference of any two sides of a triangle must be less than the third side. Therefore, the side that we don't know, we call it x, must be greater than the difference. We see 9 minus 6, then less than the sum, 9 plus 6. So the range is greater than 3 and less than 15. Next one, we don't know, but must be greater than the difference, which is 12 minus 4, that is 8. Less than the sum, 12 plus 4, 16. Try this one. Greater than the difference, that's 9. And less than the sum, that's 27. Let's try something a little bit more interesting. This time, we don't have the same units. We see the first one is 24 inches. The next one is 1 yard. What is a possible side length? Remember, these two have different units. One is inch, one is yard. Why don't we change the yard into inches? So think, 1 yard is 3 feet. 1 foot is 12 inches, which means 1 yard is 3 times 12. That is 36. Therefore, 1 yard is 36 inches. Now we come back, we change this 1 yard into 36 inches. Now we get the same units. Now we can say x, you're gonna be greater than the difference. 36 minus 24, that is 12 inches. You're gonna be less than the sum. 36 plus 24, that is 60 inches. Now we call it all done. Thank you for learning with me. Happy learning.